back. We're diving deep today, getting into all things affiliate marketing.
Yeah, sounds good.
I know a lot of you out there are interested in this.
Definitely a hot topic.
Especially like, how does it work, and can you actually make money doing it?
Right.
So let's break it all down.
Absolutely. Happy to.
So first things first.
Yeah.
Like, what even is affiliate marketing?
Okay, so basically it's this really cool system where you can partner with a business, any business really, and you agree to promote their products or services, to your audience.
Got it.
Yeah. And the beauty of it is you can do it through like so many different ways.
Right.
Like if you have a blog, awesome. Social media, perfect. Even an email list, all good.
So it's all about leveraging whatever platform you've got, Rob.
Exactly. And the best part, low barrier to entry.
I was just going to say, our sources all seem to agree on that.
It's true. You don't need like a ton of cash to start.
Yeah, that's super appealing.
Definitely. And location independence too.
Oh, yeah, that's huge.
Like imagine you could work from anywhere.
Anywhere with a good internet connection, right?
Exactly. The beach, a mountain cabin, your couch.
So flexible. I love that.
It's a pretty sweet deal.
Okay, but let's get into the nitty-gritty.
Sure.
How does it actually work?
All right, so let's say you're passionate about, I don't know, fitness.
Okay, I like it.
And you've got this awesome blog where you share workout tips and stuff.
Makes sense.
Now you could partner with maybe a company that sells workout gear.
Like leggings and protein powder, that kind of thing.
Exactly. And you'd sign up for their affiliate program, super simple.
Okay.
And they give you a unique link or code that you can sprinkle into your blog posts.
So when someone clicks on that link,
boom, you get a commission if they buy something.
So it's like you're getting a little bonus for sending them a customer?
Think of it like a referral fee.
Makes perfect sense.
It's really a win-win.
For both you and the company you're partnering with.
Right. They get more customers and you get some extra cash.
Awesome. But how do you choose the right products to promote? I mean,
great question.
I wouldn't want to be recommending something I didn't actually believe in.
That's where building trust with your audience comes in.
So important, right?
Huge. You got to be picky about what you're putting out there.
Okay, makes sense.
It has to align with your niche, with what you're all about.
So like sticking with the fitness example.
Perfect example.
It wouldn't make sense for me to suddenly start promoting gardening tools.
Exactly. It just wouldn't feel authentic.
And your audience can spot that a mile away.
Totally. You got to think, would I actually recommend this to a friend?
That's a great way to think about it.
Right. It's all about genuine recommendations.
So it's not just about throwing any random affiliate link out there.
Nope. Got to be strategic.
There's a lot more to it than just slapping a link on your site and hoping for the best.
Oh, yeah. Way more to it.
So tell me, what are some of the, challenges people might run into?
Well, standing out, that's a big one.
Because everyone's doing it now, right?
It's a crowded marketplace. You got to get creative.
Okay, so what does that look like, getting creative?
Well, think compelling product reviews, eye-catching social media posts, maybe even some killer email campaigns.
Got it. So you need to capture people's attention.
Totally, and show them why your recommendations are worth their time.
Right. Build that trust.
Exactly.
Now, I'm guessing it's not like an overnight success kind of thing.
Oh, yeah. Definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Got to be patient.
Patience is key. Building a following, seeing those sweet commissions roll in, that takes time.
And consistent effort, I'm sure.
Absolutely. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
That's a good analogy.
Right. You got to be in it for the long haul.
This has been so insightful. I really appreciate it.
Happy to share.
So to recap, affiliate marketing, it's a great opportunity, tons of flexibility, but
there are some things to keep in mind.
You got to be smart about it, choose products you love.
And that your audience will actually find value in.
And you've got to build that trust with your audience.
That's the foundation of it all.
So, for those of you listening out there, think about your own interests and skills.
What are you passionate about?
What could you see yourself genuinely recommending to others?
That's the first step in figuring out what kind of products or services you could rock as an affiliate marketer.
And remember, it's a journey, not a destination.
Enjoy the process, experiment, learn, and you'll be well on your way.
Yeah. Awesome advice. Thanks for joining us.